Another video. In this video we'll show you how to fix the "you don't have any documents, please contact your Salesforce admin" error. So sometimes you've set up many different documents and a new user comes in and they get this error message: "You don't have any documents, please contact your Salesforce admin." How do you fix that? Well, there are a few reasons. First of all, you need to be on Gold or above. If you are, and that's your support package or the license. Premium, this will not work. On Gold, it should work, and on Enterprise, it should work. Afterwards, what you need to be aware of is how many collaborators do you have, okay? So let's say this Salesforce login here, which is, let me go into it and see what the username for this user is. Okay, so this is the user, Titan at formtitan.com. So what you need to make sure is when you go into over here into your collaborators, you need to make sure they're added as a collaborator. So what you can do is you can click add collaborators from Salesforce. If they are from Salesforce, you can also add them manually. And then here what you want to do is you want to look for that one. So for me it's this one here, or even this one here. It doesn't matter, either one really. And then what I want to do is check this, click next, and then I want to make sure that they have full permissions. And this could depend for, forms, DocSign, it doesn't matter, whichever one it is at the end of the day. I want to make sure they have all the permissions. So for me it says additional licenses required, read more, means I don't have a license for it. So what you can do is you can ask us to see if there's a collaborator and then we'll add it for you. You can also add it manually like this. It's going to quickly add it in for you. Click next, and you can basically give them all the permissions. This is what you need to do. For every document they need to submit, access every document within Titan, you need to make sure they have the submission access. So here, let's just pick one here. So dynamic, where is it? Let's view more. Let's type the word dynamic. Here you go. I think this is it. Type dynamic words. So let's click submit. Let's give myself access. Click finish. And it's done. Now what you'll find is if I go back to opportunity, click on FT generate document. There it is. It's appeared. Okay. It's really that simple. And then if you want to give that same person more access, like let's say, you want to give them all the permissions, you don't care, you just go ahead and click for all, click update, and then I will click on this button and you can see all my documents are now appearing. So essentially all the problem is over here, or one of the problems, and I'd probably say it is a very common problem. So what you need to make sure is that you have a collaborator in there, and once the collaborator is in there, you need to make sure that they have their permission. So the submissions are checked for any documents, check, and if there are any documents signed, you need to make sure that they have full permission for sign and void as well. And then if you want to give them permission to for all, you can do that also. And then once this is done, all the documents should appear successfully. If you've done all of this and you're getting some other error message, it's also worth doing this. Quickly go into docgen/sso and then just click save. And then once you see this updated, you should be good to go. And that's how you do it.